Hey everyone, in this video, I'm about to show you how to fix unable to install app error on your iPhone. First, try manually updating the app. This can sometimes resolve the issue if the error is related to an outdated version. Next, make sure you have a valid payment method added to your Apple ID. Even if the app you want to download is free, you might need to have a payment method on file to proceed with the installation. If there's a problem with your payment method, resolve it in the Settings app under Payment and Shipping to avoid any interruptions. Another option is to prioritize the download. To do this, go to your home screen. Touch and hold the app that's having trouble downloading, and from the menu that appears, choose Prioritize Download. This will push the app to the front of the download queue. Finally, restart your iPhone and check again to see if you can download or update apps. Sometimes a simple restart can clear any temporary issues that might be causing the error. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like the video.